Okay, so you know what? We're not going to hold the crank bolt with the lever arm while we tighten the flywheel bolts. I'm basically going to hold the flywheel with my own hand and torque the bolts. I'm sure it's fine to do with the crank shaft bolt, but I don't want to risk anything, so I'm going to do it with my own two hands, which should be fun. Should be easy to do. Okay. All right, final torque 85 foot-pounds, and we have 85 right here. All right, we start here. Put a little pressure on it. Done. Woo. Done. 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 Checking them all again. Woo! Stressful always when I do this, but it should be correct.